Hello and welcome to OctopusDo. I'm Christian Ross and this is my cat boss Nero, who's very excited today because we're going to do an unboxing. I have been waiting on this ever since I found out that this was going to be created. It is the new loom from Julianna Avelar and the Jewel Loom line. And it's part of the new goddess line. Anyway, I'm going to actually open the package. I haven't done that yet. I don't know how I have managed to not do it yet, but let's get to it. So, yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. Be very careful here not to too deep or cut myself, you know. It's like, yes, I'm an expert with sharp things. Very cool. I love that on the packing slip there is a nice little thank you. She always thinks of just the nicest touch. Everything is packaged really well, nice and safe, and wow. Again, the nice thank you on that. Yeah. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Look at her. She is beautiful. Wisdom Warrior. A nice book emblem here on the bottom. A fierce sword, the crown with a heart, wings across. Such beautiful imagery on this, and this is heavy. That's what's really amazing with this. I know that it needs to be thicker because it's a larger loom, and it is. It feels very solid. It will have like flex to it because it's that beautiful Baltic Birch, but it's nice and substantial and heavy, so it's not going to break on you. I love this. And then, wow. There's a wonderful verse on the back. Perhaps this is the moment for which you were created. Esther 4:14. That's just beautiful. I love that. This truly, I think, is an inspirational tool. This is a tool that is both beautiful and functional. And wow, very cool. Blown away. All right. Let's see what else we got going on here. Wonderful. All right. Comes with some beads. The Jewel Loom needles, which I think are absolutely wonderful. They're a little bit longer than your regular needles, which are perfect, which makes it perfect for working with a loom. Very cool. So it's a nice little care package here. Has 6 of the Jewel Loom needles, a little treat, and some tea, which I think is fabulous. Seed beads. Oh, love that. Ooh, there's some 2-hole check glass beads in here as well. This is fun. That's just thoughtful. And the instructions, of course. Your Wisdom Warrior Bead Loom is a symbol of courage, faith, and strength. You have come so far in your journey. Now it's time to gather all that you have learned and take it up a notch or a groove and design next level projects such as decorative chokers, one-of-a-kind belts, and stylish hat bands. So the loom is 4 inches wide and 25-inch long warping area, which that comes in really handy. As soon as I heard about this, I grabbed a friend of mine who he's kind of a cowboy, wears a hat all the time, and I measured his hat band. It's 24 inches, so that's going to come in very handy. Wow. Comes fully assembled and ready to use. So that's everything that comes in this package. I'm really impressed with the packaging as always. I'm very impressed with the tool. So let's get started and actually make something.